From design, concept, and idea to printing, forming, and final finish, Duo is a single source solution that you are looking for. Duo offers unlimited custom capabilities for printing technology, providing brilliant color graphics, and outstanding registration on our industrial large format printers. Duo provides over 50 years of thermoforming expertise for internationally recognized customers in a wide variety of industries. Duo delivers beautiful, radiant colors on a variety of formed parts. Expert hand routing excess material. CNC robotic trimming for ultimate accuracy and consistency. Proudly forming your ideas. From start to finish, Duo has your solution. Visit us online to see more at duoformplastics.com.